Hi guys, today I'm in Limpopo, in the wild side of Limpopo province. So I just wanted to explore the natural part of Limpopo this side, just to see how this place looks like. And I see there's a river down there just flowing, and I see some kids there swimming. They are swimming, but it looks a bit risky, because it's just a wildlife. That dam doesn't look that safe, but let me get closer and see what I can find out there, and maybe just ask if it's safe for them to swim there. Let me just go down just to show you the view. You see there's many rivers flowing around here, going to fill that dam. Even on that other side there are some rivers, but let's see. Those kids, I think they're dressing up now, because they see me coming. They start dressing up. Maybe they think that I'm a threat to them, but I'm definitely not. They are moving away now. They are moving away. Let's try to see them. See, even here is just a small dam, but this looks like a bigger dam. And some dams around these places, I heard that there are some mermaids inside the dam, so some kids end up drowning around this dam. Let me go towards them. So let me cross this side. I'm just gonna ask them what they're doing there, but I can see they're definitely swimming. But I want to ask them why in this dam. Well, some kids drown in this kind of dams, but I know it's fun as a kid, but it can be dangerous. And I'm just having a stone in my hand, because I thought maybe I might meet some wild animals, but I actually needed a stick, because the stone is not that safe. You throw once and it's gone. Yeah, so let me get closer. How are you guys? What are you doing here? Is it safe for you? Are you sure? There's no mermaid here. How do you know? And what are you doing here? Eh? What are you doing? Why are you here? Are you watching over the kettles or something? Why are you here? Just having fun. Are you just having fun here? Yeah. Oh, okay. Are you sure that it's safe?
Yeah, it's safe.
Serious?
Yeah.
It's not deep.
No.
There's no snakes. Oh, okay. Where do you stay? Where are you from? Where do you stay? Where do you live? Sapalwell. Oh, Mushroom Park. Yeah. Oh, okay. And then what are these things? Oh, so that it doesn't drown. Oh, okay. Are you sure that it's safe, guys? Yeah. No mermaid? No. No snakes? Yeah. But it looks brown here. You can't even see it underneath. Oh. So you don't grab your legs? Oh, okay. Okay. Also, it's school holidays. You are here to have fun now. Do your parents know that you are here? Yeah? Okay. Can you swim? It looks fun. Which school do you attend? Which school do you attend? Do you go to school? Yeah. Where? Oh, primary school. Oh, okay. Yo, that one can swim. Can you do that again? But you guys, you must watch, ne? You must make sure that there's nothing dangerous, but Okay. I can see you guys are having fun, but I'm worried about your safety. Don't go deep, man. What's your name? What's your name? Tompo, and you? And that one? Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so you're gonna. So what time are you going home? Until 5? Hmm.
2.
Oh, okay. Do you have some lunch here? So what are you gonna eat?
I'm going to eat home.
Oh, at home. Oh, okay, okay. But it's far here from your place. How do you get here? Do you walk? You guys, I'm worried about you, man. Oh, there's nothing here.
Yeah.
But you can't see. Can you see the water is brown? There's no mermaid.
No.
Okay, okay. But I heard many stories that there are mermaids around the dams here.
No. I want to meet them.
Did you check? They're doing what? Oh, sometimes it gets dry here. Oh, okay. It looks fun. It looks fun. So. Can I please see these things? Can I see? Also, so you'd lose them, so that the water doesn't get in. And this one doesn't have. Why?
I don't know.
You guys, this thing, it doesn't look safe, my guy. Yeah, so I was just asking them a few questions about safety. They said it looks safe. Yeah, there's no mermaids and any other bad thing, but you can never be sure. Oh, I know. Have fun, guys. Have fun. But I'm worried about safety. Be safe, ne? Yeah. Be safe. You don't have swimming pools around. Or is it? It's far. Which side is it? Oh, it's too far for you to go there. And you pay. Yeah, you just swim for free. Yes. So it's not deep, ne? I can see that guy there. So if one drowns, are you gonna help each other? You won't run away. Oh, okay. So did any one of you ever drown here?
Yeah.
Who? Oh, they drowned. But you were saved.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Which grade are you in? Which grade are you in? Yeah. Which grade are you doing? Grade 1, 2, 6, and you 4, and that one? Grade 7. Oh, okay, okay, okay. You guys are having fun, I can see. Oh, what is this place called? What is this place called? I mean, like, what's the name of this place? Artian. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Thanks for your time, guys. Thank you. But can you see here? There's some grass here. So it's still safe. Let me come this side so that I can capture well this side. This place doesn't look safe, but you know, rural kids, they're having fun. Yeah, but there's water now in your bottle. Mm. It looks like rain is coming now. I might have to leave before it's too late. I just hope that these kids are safe and nothing bad will happen to them. That's just my worry, their safety. And I think that these guys, they are about 3 to 5 kilometers from their home, or even more. Oh, do you have some lotion? Yeah. Okay. Can you float? Yeah. Can you float? Serious? Yeah. Let me see. Oh, okay, okay. No, that's floating. That's fine. But you guys must be safe, ne? Oh. I am leaving, ne? I hope that will be safe. Why don't you make some boats? Yeah? Oh, gara well side ready kebe. Yeah. So that you can be inside something. Or you can use a wheelbarrow, yeah. Okay. So how much is snacks? 5 friends. Oh, okay. So how much can I give you to buy? 5 friends. You will share. What do you buy? Oh, okay. Fine. Oh, shall I you must share with them, ne? Yes. Oh. Where are you going now? Oh. And let me give you the last one. It's 10 now, ne? You'll buy Zimba. Yeah. Okay. Okay, bye guys, ne? Yeah. Yeah, so now I'm heading back to the houses this side, and it's a bit long distance. Yeah. So let me walk back. I left those kids there alone because they might be here the whole day. Yeah, so I wasn't expecting to see such, but yeah, it looks fun, but most worrying thing is safety. Yeah, so now I just have to climb this little mountain so that I can cross to the other side. I don't think I'll pass here. Let me find another way. See, can I pass here? Yeah, definitely. I think I can pass here. Yes. So now I have to be careful of the snakes because there's just a lot of grass and trees around here. Yeah, so this is the village life. Very cheap. Swimming pool is for free, as you saw there, but not maintained, not looked after, and not safe. Yeah. Yeah, so this place is a bit mountainous. Yeah, so I'm not even sure which way I should use, because I have to cross this side and go over there so that I can be close to the houses. What I like about this place is that it's peaceful. You know, you are far from cars, from loud noise. It's very different from the city life. So you just hear the natural sound. As you can see, there's another river flowing there. Yeah, so let me keep going until I reach my destination. This place is so refreshing, even though you can be worried about safety, but it's refreshing. So that's that dam is over that side. We have to go down there. I can't even see it from here. Yeah. And this side is wild. This side is animals. I can see a sheep, goat, and cows. So it looks like there's a lot of cows this side. Cows and sheep and goats as well. Oh, now this is a road. I think I'm a bit relieved because I'm no longer walking next to the mountains. This side it looks a bit safe, so I will just use this road to walk down there. Yeah, so we have a lot of goats, cows, and sheep. Even this side. And that's someone who's taking care of them. Let me see if I can have a word with him. So, how are you, man? I'm fine. Where is this road going? Yeah, this road. Yeah. Where is it going? Where? Mine. Yeah. There's a mine that side. Yeah. For what? For gold? For what? Sign. Sign? Yeah, sun. Sun? Yeah. I don't understand. There's a mine that's... It's not original mine. Yeah, it's big, like it's fake mine like this one. Oh, there are mines that side? Let's go, you see. It's not far? Let's go, it's not far. Oh. Yeah. You are saying there are mines? It's not original mine, my friend. It's not original mine? Yeah. What kind of mine is it? Artificial mine? Let's go, you see. Oh, it's not far? It's not far. Oh, okay. Oh, is there around Mushroom Park? Yeah. Which side? That side. A, B, C? A. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so this guy is going to show me where he says there are mines. So let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah. So which grade are you doing? Me? Grade 10. Oh, grade 10. Yeah. Where do you study? Maral? Yeah, Maral. Okay. It's not original mine. Yeah, it's original mine. I've never heard of that. So is it a hole? A deep hole? Yeah, a deep hole, like a fake sand. Oh, sand for building houses? Yeah, for building houses. Oh, okay. Hey, but oh, even child is working that side? Yeah. Okay. Oh, initiation school is that side? Yeah, it's that side and background takes the so Olan, is that your friend? Background mountain. Oh, okay. Oh, let's go, my man. We talk English here. Oh, that's your friend? Yeah, that's my brother. Oh, your blood brother? Yeah. Oh, okay. So whose cows are these? Like, are they for your family or for someone else? Cow. Like I'm job, yeah. Oh, peace job. Yeah, peace job. Yeah. For holidays. Yeah. Oh, they pay you well. Yeah, you must be careful. Yeah, can you see? It's not about that, man. It's not about that. Safety always. How much do they pay? Going to school. Oh, now it's just his job for taking care of this cow.
Yeah.
January going to school.
I'm going to school.
Oh, to do grade what 10?
Yeah, great.
How old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
Oh, 19 years old.
Like you failed, Joe.
Oh, you're feeling a bit. Oh, I don't give up. Don't give up.
Don't give up.
Yeah, you.
Education is the key of success.
Yeah, true. I can't wait to see the mine, man. Is there gold in the mines? Maybe I can get some gold.
Like,
There's no gold or diamond.
I signed.
Only sand.
Yeah, I signed.
Is it too far? Yeah, we can't go down here. So now the initiation schools are closed.
Yeah.
They are for circumcision.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Did you go before?
Yeah.
How was the experience?
Like,
It was fun. Okay. I was on that other side. There's a dam that side, you know it?
them.
Yeah,
Where?
that side.
No.
I saw some kids swimming there. Is it safe?
Well, like, it's rain.
Oh, it's rainwater.
It's rain.
So it's safe. There's no mermaid. Mm. No snakes.
I don't need to. I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. Is it really safe this side?
See?
Yeah, there are no wild animals.
I don't have anything the right in mind.
No lion, tiger, nothing. Oh, but you must hold something in your hand. Some stick
Like the bag.
for protection. No, because do you know that monkey is very strong?
But not dangerous.
Oh, there are snakes around,
Yeah.
but not a lot.
It's small.
Small snakes.
Yeah, not
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, so now we are about to see the mine this side. I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see the mine. I don't know this guy. I don't know if he's safe or what, but no, it's yeah. So now we are climbing here to see the mine that are telling me about this side. Unfortunately, it's not a gold or diamond. It's a sand mine. Oh, that side.
That's right, yeah.
Hey, but it's still far.
No, you myself.
Oh. Oh, this side is initiation school.
Yeah, it's safe, but
Hmm.
during June.
Oh, they open in June.
Yeah,
Where?
that's right.
So where do the people sleep? Where do they sleep for initiation school?
Like,
They come with bed.
it's coming June, July is going.
Oh, okay.
June, that's question.
Oh, that side, that's where they go for initiation school.
Yeah,
This whole area like this.
yeah.
So during that time you can't come and take sand.
We come to this side.
Oh.
Then it's coming this side.
Hmm.
And people will come to.
Oh, so that's the mine.
But mine is this one.
Oh, I can see it there.
Yeah.
Okay. And that side is initiation school.
Yeah.
Going down
that
there.
That place.
Oh, this place down here.
That place.
Oh, so if you come in June, you'll see people.
Yeah, to see people.
They allow you to come.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, it's a beautiful view. And this pipe is for water.
It's water. Like, it's going to that side.
Oh, it's going to the houses there.
Yeah.
Where is it from?
I don't know.
Melepel or something. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So we can't go further there, ne?
Yeah.
It's too far.
It's too far.
Oh, okay.
And this cow is going. Sheep and goat is going in.
Oh, they're going where?
Like, no, I will go back.
Oh, you have to take care of the cattle there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't know. Thanks. I've seen it now.
And that's far.
Oh, that side is farms.
Yeah, it's farms.
Oh, for meal.
Yeah.
Oh, I know. No. Now I've seen it.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll come back some other time.
Yeah, next time.
Yeah.
It's need car.
Is what? Oh, you need a car.
Yeah.
But there's no proper roads here.
Right?
There's no proper roads. I can't see the roads. Are there roads for the cars?
Yeah.
Where?
This one. This stuff is here.
Oh, okay. I didn't see it.
I get like my friend the coma channel coma gamo goloi jiba fita one.
Oh, they pass around here.
Yeah, it's very
Oh. Oh, so they make fire down there. Eh?
Yeah.
Then there they put some tents for sleeping.
Yeah, for sleeping.
Oh, for initiation school. So it's ladies and boys.
Boys only.
Boys only.
Yeah.
Then ladies,
That at home.
they don't go to initiation school.
Mm.
No, but they go.
Like it.
They don't go to initiation school.
The girls is sleeping
Mm.
at home, and boys is sleeping here.
Oh, so the girls they come here and go back. Mm.
Only boys.
Only
like
boys.
Separate.
Oh.
They separate boys that side, only girls that side.
Oh, boys this side, girls this side.
Yeah.
But this same area, ne?
Yeah.
Oh, how much do you pay for that initiation school?
Like
Mm.
sometimes in
Mm.
2.5.
Oh, 2.5 rent.
Like
Oh. Oh.
different places and different
Mm.
people, different place. I mean different price.
Prices. Oh. So all those boys they will be around here, ne?
Yeah.
So if you come as a normal person, what will they do? They will attack you.
If say yeah, if say you like go.
You don't have to come here, ne? Even you can't go to the sand area.
Like you're going to that side.
But you will see them. They won't attack you.
Like all distance.
Or if you are far away from them, they won't attack you. Oh, okay.
All distance, but they will come here.
Oh, okay.
They take you.
Oh, they will beat you if you go close to them. Okay. Thanks for being my tour guide, ne?
Yeah, my friend.
Thank you for being my tour guide. Now I've seen the place.
English, yeah?
Oh, you're trying to speak English?
Yeah.
Even mine is not that good, but I'm trying. It's not good. Yeah, it's good to learn English.
It's not. Like it. I'm not perfect like you.
Oh, you speak Pedi, ne?
Yeah, I am Zulu.
Oh, you speak Pedi and Zulu.
I need English and I love English.
Oh, you like English?
Yeah, I love English.
Oh.
But yeah, because English is
international
and it's only language.
Yeah.
Everywhere we
Yeah.
come and talk English.
Yeah. But every language is important.
Yeah, it's important.
Just that English for business is good.
For business, English is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. Thanks, man. Thanks for being my tour guide. At home.
Yeah.
And that's why you are taking care of the cattle here. But the money is not enough, ne?
It's not enough. End of I have a 1.5.
1.5 rent.
Yeah.
Okay.
And every end of, but January.
You go to school.
Then I'm going to home.
Oh, okay. So who takes care of you when you go to school?
What?
Who's taking care of you when you don't work?
Like
when you are going to school, because you can't work.
January I'm leaving.
You are leaving to where?
Leaving this one.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to school.
Oh, okay. So you won't make money anymore.
Yeah, like January I'm trying to like extra day. I mean Saturday and Sunday.
Oh, okay. During school hours you work. I mean during school days you work on weekends.
Yeah, weekends.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what time do you knock off? What time do you knock off?
When?
Oh, yeah, what time do you knock off? 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock?
Sometimes if rain is come any time.
Or if there's rain, anytime you knock off?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Every day it's not rain at 5 o'clock. I will back to 4 o'clock.
Oh, okay. Okay. So who's the owner of these animals?
Like this, my family and another people at home.
Oh, for different families?
Yeah, different families.
Oh, so they share money and pay to you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But I saw this your brother there is also helping you.
Yeah, it's helping me. Now I'm feeling this.
Oh, he's not feeling well?
Feeling this.
Oh, actually.
He's sleeping that side.
Oh, he's sleeping that side?
Yeah.
Also, they give you 1.5 each.
Yeah.
Oh.
Then buy shoes for school,
Mm.
school bags.
School bags.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you have bank account?
Yeah, but
Mm.
my sister now. No, I don't have for me.
Mm.
Eh.
Oh.
All I